everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty nice here in BC. It finally got above -1, so that's pretty good. It's clear, it's not rainy, so hopefully it's gonna be all right. All right, so I have an unbagging today. I got this from a fellow YouTuber. She's a wonderful person, Fern Fancy Face, so make sure that you subscribe to her channel and follow her on Instagram. And I think it's under the same name, but I'll double check and put it in the description because she is fabulous. So we definitely want to give her a shout out. All right, so she sent this from Boston to Canada. So there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing here and see what I got. All right, got my blade. And if you'd be so kind as to subscribe to my channel, that'd be great, because when I hit 500, I'm gonna be doing a great giveaway, and you definitely don't wanna miss out on that. Make sure you ring the bell, share, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, all that fun stuff. And if you have any requests, please leave them in the comments below as I read every single one. I appreciate everybody that puts a comment in there. It's great. Love it. All right, so we're in. All right, it's wrapped up really good, because she does that kind of gal. All right, got it in tissue paper, so let's see what I got. Thanks, Fern. I hope you're doing okay. All right, so let's go ahead and get it unwrapped here. All right, I think that's it. All right, should put it in a baggie. Okay, you can reuse these. Ugh, okay. Ah, good tape. Ah. All right, let's see what I get. Okay, so I got a strap, and I'm gonna use this on my LV accessoire, and it's a crossbody, so it's in good condition. It's all vachetta, so that's pretty cool. All right, so I got a strap to go with that, and then this is a Tolitery 19 insert that you can convert into like a little bag. I probably won't do that, but I can use the insert on something I'm sure of. So this is in pretty good condition. So yeah, you can always use these, so these work out pretty good. I might use this in my in my small Fendi bag that I have. So, all right, so that is what I got today. So thanks so much for watching. Hope everybody has a great weekend. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.